Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by removing toys and leaves. This prevents organic load from consuming sanitizer. Once cleared, fill to the normal level and calculate the water volume so dosing is accurate. Test pH and total alkalinity now. You want pH around 7. 2.7. 6 so chlorine works efficiently. Then add the initial dose of a fast-acting chlorine shock per the calculated volume. This quickly knocks down contaminants and sets a reliable baseline before ongoing maintenance. After the initial shock, keep sanitizer at 1.3 ppm free chlorine. Stabilized tablets or liquid chlorine both work, but follow label dosing for your volume. Run a cartridge or small cartridge filter, pump for 6 hours daily to remove suspended particles. Once done, backwash or clean the cartridge weekly. Skim the surface every day and brush or vacuum the pool bottom weekly to prevent biofilm formation. Also, check pH twice weekly and correct as needed, because imbalance reduces sanitizer efficiency. Finish by performing a weekly maintenance shock, especially after heavy use or hot weather, to prevent algae and odors. You should monitor both free and combined chlorine. Keep free chlorine above 1 ppm and address combined chlorine spikes by shocking again. If water becomes cloudy, run the filter continuously for 24 hours and add a clarifier to bind fine particles, or repeat a chlorine shock if cloudiness persists. This troubleshooting step removes organic load and restores clarity quickly, making the pool safe again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.